Hello everyone, this is MB Kitchenette and welcome to my channel. MB Kitchenette is a place where you can find easy, quick, healthy, home-cooked recipe. To all my followers who are always there to support me, and to those who are new here, welcome to my channel. Today I prepare another fried rice recipe for those who loves veggies, and I hope you like it. Write in the comment your name and your country in the comment, for me to thank you on my next video. And don't forget to follow, subscribe, and hit the notification bell at the end of the video, for you to always be notified on my video. To begin, we need a bowl of leftover rice. Then chop 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. In every fried rice I cooked, I always loved to put many garlics. I don't know, but for me, fried rice without a garlic is not a fried rice. It always brings such aroma and great taste. Get a slice from a carrot and cut it into cubes. Your feedback helps us grow. Write in the comment your views. This recipe is made for a single serving. If you need to serve more, then adjust the recipe. This is best idea when you come home after a day of work and tired, and no time to cook, but instead of having takeout of the nearby restaurant. Just get all the rest vegetables in the fridge and create an exciting, delicious fried rice. 2 to 3 slices from a red bell pepper and cut into cubes. This recipe will only take 3 to 5 minutes. So after cooking this recipe, we'll still have time to watch your favorite night shows. Since this recipe is only for a single serving, we don't need much ingredients. Get a leaf from the cabbage and cut into strips. This recipe is made easy for you to follow. I hope you can still able to follow it. Don't forget to follow, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for you to always updated for easy, quick, home-cooked recipe. Have 1 piece of spring onion cut and chopped. What is your favorite vegetables? Maybe you can add it in this recipe. Try to make this recipe, then write in the comment, what are the vegetables you put in your fried rice? In my channel, there are still different kinds of how to make a fried rice. You can check them in the playlist. Have 2 eggs and whisk. All the ingredients are prepared. We can start the cooking. In a heated pan with cooking oil, let's first fry the egg. Flip it over, then remove it from a pan and set it aside. In a same pan, add the garlic. Keep on stirring until the aroma comes out. Then add the carrot and bell pepper and continue on stirring. Keep on stirring for 30 seconds, then add the cabbage. For another 15 seconds, then add the rice. Keep on mixing. Yes, continue on mixing. See the wonderful, colorful looks of this recipe. You can already see that is so likable. But is not yet done. We still need to add the seasoning for the taste. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of pepper, and a pinch of chili powder. To Abby, Carlo, Thelma, and Roger of USA, thank you for watching and your continued support on my channel. I hope all of you are still there on my next video. By this time, you can already turn off the heat. Fried rice like noodles and pasta are those recipes that are so versatile. You can always add such many things, from vegetables, seafoods, pork, or chicken. It has always a perfect taste for it. So what are you waiting for? Grab a bowl, put the fried rice, and turn on your television, and switch it to your favorite midnight show. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to always updated. And don't forget to share this recipe to your friends and families and to other social media. Have a happy, healthy meal.